What's going on, you guys? I wanted to show you something real quick. If you have a Coleman CT100U, this is like most Coleman bikes or any little mini bike. They have this idle screw, or the fuck is it called? Governor screw, that keeps you going very far at all with the throttle. So what I did was I took my Dremel and cut about 5 millimeters off of that idle screw. And then it said in the manual that the spark plug right here is supposed to be at, I believe, 24.24. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it said. Between 0.24 and 0.32. So I gapped that to 0.30 and got a little bit bigger of a spark, so of course it's going to ignite a little bit quicker and better, I guess. So that's all I basically wanted to show you about that. But I got a little mount here. I don't know if it's going to work. This is for like bike light, but I figured I might be able to get my camera on that and do some little videos, riding around stuff. I was thinking I might just maybe buzz that off a little bit and grind it off. That way the screw sticks out further, because right now it's not really far at all. Don't focus for shit. Alright. And then I got a little surprise in the mail the other day. That's my catalytic converter from my 97 Integra RS. And then that's the cat back exhaust and the header and A-pipe right there. Of course I had to make adjustments and grind that off. Yeah, I can't wait to put that in. Got the LS mesh you can throw on. Right now I'm just running on dummies. All black dummies. But these actually have been worked on a little bit. So you can tell because I have the stem down with the Allen wrench on it. But yeah, that's been worked on a little bit. But this one has not. And yeah, as you can tell, they don't they don't look too good. They need a lot of work to get finished. I'll show you in a second what the other two I have look like that are about done. And these are what they look like so far. Kind of got a nice little mirror shine on there. Not too bad. Still need another degreasing. Went ahead and put the caps on. That ain't gonna hurt them. Yeah, just a little bit of degreasing. This one I'll probably polish up again. Probably do that one as well, just to get all those little excess scratches out. But yeah, that's basically what they look like whenever they're done. And we're back in the garage. See the difference? Big difference. One last thing. This is the B18 that I ordered. The B18A head. Sorry, B18B1 head that I ordered. And it looks like it has new valve seals. It wasn't this clean when I got it. I had to do some cleaning to it. But yeah, it looks pretty decent. I ended up getting all the ports nice and clean. I have a catch can that I just installed, so when I put this head on, these will stay pretty clean and not have a bunch of oil running into them. But more than likely I'll just get some SuperTech springs for it. Probably get the SuperTech camshafts, and I haven't got any new cam gears yet. Probably need to order some of those. But yeah, this is just the build that's on the way. There's a guy down the street who actually worked on Hondas for a long time and has an EG that he's got. I think he's going to put a GSR into it. I'll probably do some video of that, of him working on the GSR, so you guys can check that out. That'll be another video. But yeah, those are just things I wanted to show you that I got going on for the 97 Integra. But we'll have a lot more going soon, since we get rid of this ice and snow. Yeah, can't do nothing in that. So as of now, we're stuck. But it's a good time to do work like this, as when it's all shitty outside. Yeah, there's like nothing on this. This thing is super clean. I used probably like 2 or 3 cans of degreaser, a couple cans of brake clean. She's good to go. So yeah, I'll be doing some videos on that build here pretty soon as well. So yeah, tune in. What's going on, you guys? I want to do a quick update video on the V18 V1. Show you what the snow stuff have allowed me to do. Everything's all shined up. Nice polish. Haven't decided yet if I'm gonna do inside and actually get it ported. But yeah, I spent about a good hour and a half or so on each one. And man, it came out really good. So yeah, I can't wait. She's gonna look really nice.